So if you're having a problem with the mini split, I thought I'd go over the most common causes of this and how you might be able to go about fixing it. And I'm going to put links down below for everything I'm looking at here. But the first thing to do when a mini split's not working is to check to see if there's any air codes on the unit. Because very commonly when a unit's not working, you can see the air code that'll point to what the problem is. So for example, right here, this mini split is saying E1. Go look at the air code for the unit. E1 air code. Indoor-outdoor unit communication error. And that basically means the wiring going between the two units. Correctly. If it's supposed to be cooling, be sure that it says cool on the left here and that the temperature is set low enough to turn on the unit. If it's set on auto, be sure that it's set low enough. Sometimes some of these remotes can be kind of hard to read. It got clogged up too much, so the blower motor can't blow out air correctly. There's something wrong with the wiring. One of the circuit boards has gone bad, or just some kind of issue with the indoor unit, and it's just having a problem and it needs to be repaired. Like I said, usually you'll get error codes with this, and that'll be the last thing on the list, is that there's just something wrong with the outdoor